Hey, what's up, guys? I think I'm gonna start documenting my life, showing you guys what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. I am eating a salad. I buy them for $6-7 at Ralph's, and this helps me save money from buying McDonald's that costs like $12 or $10 just for a Happy Meal or a meal. And I'm just eating right now. I make a lot of videos about investing, a lot of videos about credit cards, a lot of videos about cryptocurrency, stocks, inflation, consumerism, mental health, minimalism, and I haven't uploaded a lot of them because I make the video, then I want to edit them, or I always have a new idea, and I practice what I preach. I'm not just trying to throw random stuff out in here. Like one of the latest tips that I learned is, in order for me to become more productive, in order to reduce my screen time, not turning off my notifications, that doesn't work. But what does work is changing my phone from color to black and white to grayscale. My phone is much more boring. I'm more productive, and I am able to get things done now more efficiently, because my phone is just boring. Simple as that. I also lowered down the hash rate, the display quality rate. I dropped it from 4K to 720p. I'm still able to see, and it looks okay, but it's pretty boring. It's not, the quality isn't there, but it keeps me away from my phone. And I hope those two tips work for you. And back then we used to watch black and green screens or black and white screens, and then we went to color, and now we're seeing color outside, and we're seeing color inside on the phones and outside, and we're so overstimulated. Our dopamine is just like getting hit every single second, and we need a detox from that. It's unhealthy. So I decided to go black and white here, so now when I'm looking out in color, out in real life, it looks better. And I noticed I want to be out more. I want to be looking at things outside, not be on my phone. So I encourage you guys, and I challenge you guys to just increase your productivity. Don't be lazy. Work hard. And I know things aren't fair in this world, and because greedy people tend to, take advantage of us, but we're not no victims. So I hope everything goes well for you guys, and that's just my what is it called? Pet talk, tech talk, pet talk. That's just me ranting. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm still working, and I'll probably be done like in 3-4 hours. So this is just vlog number 1. Take care, you guys.